So this is the pound yen analysis for Tuesday the 31st of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices, where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices break down from 46.38, breaking through 46 level, come all the way down towards this 145.50, trade slightly through 45.50, didn't quite test the 45.11, had a break back above the 45.50, retested the 45.50 again, and while we did trade slightly below it, not by a significant amount, trade through 45.50, we've held support in around the 45.50 as we have on a previous previously, and from this 45.50 we've seen the acceleration of momentum taking us through the 146 level, and that 200 period briefly pulled back from that 200 period moving average, but saw the great acceleration of momentum return to the market, breaking back above the previous highs of breaking back above the previous highs, from which we had a bit of a pullback here based on that bearish candle and the confluence of the 200 period moving average and that 146. We saw this very strong candle closing in towards that 146.38, and currently at present we are breaking above the 146.38. We're currently at 146.50. So if we do see this continued acceleration momentum to the upside, we're looking to target possibly at 147.35, successful break from which we then look at the price head up towards that 148 here on the pound against the yen. Don't anticipate prices moving all the way up towards that 148.46. So for the moment, I'd expect a far end range to be around against the yen. If, however, we do turn around, I suppose we should be aware of that 147, as we do have the 400 period moving average sitting at that level. But ultimately, I'm looking to target. We're looking at the 147.35. And if we do turn around and we're not able to hold support at this 146.38, we're looking for a retest of the 146 level. In around 146, we do have the added confluence of 200 period moving average, thus increased likelihood of seeing a bullish bounce from there. But if we do fail to do that, we'll be then looking for prices to head back down to where this entire move to the upside started, all the way back down at 145.50. Wouldn't anticipate prices moving through 145.50 and testing at 145.11. So 145.50 possibly be the far end of the range here to the downside if we do see a sharp turnaround in the prices. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily chart, see how prices are developing. So we get scale on here correct, and as you can see here on this daily chart, we do have our lows, we do have somewhat higher lows, and we do appear to be forming higher lows still. At present, the market isn't really trending to the upside. We do have our highs, we do have higher highs, but our higher lows aren't. We are having quite deep retracements, let's put it that way, which aren't very good for a trending market. So we are having deep retracements, which ultimately means the prices are rather choppy and aren't really trending much, especially on this daily time frame. So at present, we have come down and found support around the 145.50. So we'll see if this acceleration momentum takes us towards that key daily level here. Currently, I'd probably say is in around at 149.10, from which we previously had this bit of a sell-off here. While we do have to be aware of the 147.35, previously found support there, could act as resistance. But beyond that, to the upside, ultimately, we're looking for a move up towards that 149.10, where we do have the confluence of the 200 period moving average sitting pretty close by. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound yen analysis. Thanks for watching.